So, Pro Open 1 final hit. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Pasig City, Iloilo. So, nandyan, Makong Dimata, Ompong Gabriel, Ray Waitit, John Adlawan, Nonoy Fernandez, Clark Walesa, Metzelin Rivera, Terence Napat, and Maclean Aguilar. Sila po yung tatakbo sa Pro Open 1 here in Pasig City, Iloilo. Ayan na! Call shot. Ay! Clark Walesa! Almost down, Clark Walesa! Allah! Wow! Grabe! Ompong Gabriel nag-whip! Hala! Wow! Triple! Ayun, no? Hala! Wow! Ompong Gabriel on the lead! Ayun, no? Terence Napat, Clark Walesa, the happy father, Clark Walesa. So, wow, grabe yung Ompong Gabriel. Grabe, manglupa guys. La. Wow. Grabe. Hala. Ompong Gabriel versus Terence Napat, Clark Walesa, Maclean Aguilar, Metzelin Rivera. Hala, Metzelin. Wow, grabe. So, Terence Napat down the lead. Nakuha si Ompong. Metzelin Rivera on third. Wow. Grabe, halos lahat ng mga pro riders nandito sa Pasig City. Buong Pilipinas. Oh. Grabe objection.
Ay lahat ng maganda na pinapakita performance si Ompong Gabriel. I think he's gonna battle for the win today. So, this is a battle between Terence Napat and Ompong Gabriel.
Grabe, gandang laban guys, gandang laban. Nagwepa si Ompong. Wow. Grabe. Metzelin Rivera, Maclean, Makong, Clark Walesa, Ray Waitit, Nonoy Fernandez, and John Adlawan. Wow. Grabe dito sa Pasig guys. Lahat ng mga pro riders kada hit pera. Triple. Wow. Wow. Gandang laban, Terence Napat versus Ompong Gabriel. Wow! Woo! Ayun, no?
This is the battle for first place. At nakasunod si Metzelin Rivera. Natin mo lumiwan ang Metzelin Rivera sa usapan. Dahil Metzelin Rivera.
Ayun, no?
Hindi papayag yung taga-Jensan.
Terence Napat. Grabe! Ah, triple. Makong versus Macklin. Triple. Gandang laban. Battle of first, Terence Napat, Ompong. And then Metzel and Rivera. Gandang laban.
Cross straight para ipanglaban itong progress. Okay, ayan.
So still Metzel and Rivera. Turn, Ompong, and then Terence Napat on the lead. Wow. Allah. Terence Napat Yapon on the lead. Pero Metzel Rivera ayaw magpaiwan. Terence Napat versus Metzel Rivera versus Ompong Gabriel.
Let's see what happens here.
Look. Terence. Ay! Metzel ang second.
Finding the strength within
Metzel Rivera na ang second. Nakuha si Ompong. Unti-unti nang lumalayo. Terence Napat. Ayun, no?
the long races.
Roy Fernandez, Osing. Ay, Baitin. Ganda ng lawan.
Kaya medyo si Songko kung kailan yung suspension para mag-usan. Kasi alam mo, brother, stock suspension, ganito ka-init, ganito ka-gamit talaga lumalakot yan habang lumalakas.
Wow. Lah. Grabe. Walang pagbabago. Still Terence Napat. Metzel Rivera naiiwan na sa ere. Pero hahabol yan. So, oy! Oh.
One of the youngest, sagad talaga. Sagad pa rin. So,
Nonoy Fernandez na on fifth.
sumagat yun siya.
Yun, no? Still Terence Napat. Pero Metzel Rivera andyan na. Private 8 versus Junjun Adlawan. Ompong Gabriel, Makong Dimaka, dyan na, Roy Fernandez. Macklin Aguilar. Wow. Roy Fernandez down fourth. Low!
lap sprint to break the rule.
Ay! Ayun, tanggal. Up, up, up! Oh, ayaw, ayaw, ayaw! Ayaw, ayaw! Wow! Salamat, pesos! Petro Rivera! Oy! Sayang, nag-error. La Betselin Rivera now the lead. Oy! Kunti ka na. La Wow! So Nonoy Fernandez on third. Champion! So Terence dapat on second. Miche. Ay, nahulog! So, nahulog sa kanal si Miche. Checkered, checkered, checkered. Nonoy Fernandez on third.